G'day, it's Craig from KickAss, and let's check out our brand new 50 centimetre portable electric barbecue 1400 watt. You beauty. Okay, a great thing about the 50 centimetre portable barbecue is the fact that you don't have to worry about no more dodgy ignition systems that light 1 in 20. You don't have to go through these things like a Friday night on the tins. No more carrying around gas bottles and waiting for refills. And if it's a total fire ban, no worries, we can still have our barbecue. You beauty. Family size 50 centimetre cooking service, ideal for family and friends, and you can cook more at once. What an absolute cracker. Just press and start barbecuing with the simple one-touch control. That's right, one finger, one touch, you're barbecuing. Smart heat control with its NTC sensor, and what that means in layman's term is you get consistent heat across the whole barbecue, and that way you get perfect results every single time. Compact, super thin design at only 22 millimetres thick. It's easy to store away and carry around. Safety features with its integrated short circuit as well as temperature control. We know it's going to keep you and your grill safe at all times. Have to worry about the Teflon word with its non-stick ceramic coating. It makes it great for fat-free cooking as well as easy cleanup, especially when you're out and about. How cool is that? Well, I reckon that's enough talk. Let's see it in action. And you know what? Just like the picture shows, I'm going to give that a crack. Wow, it heats up so quickly. That is awesome. Alrighty, first off, let's do some kebabs. To that. Now, I've got a family of 4, 2 teenagers, so we'll see how we go with this too. Wish you had smell-o-vision out there because this smells absolutely amazing. Let's whack the steaks on. There. We're off and running now. Okay, next up I'm going to whack the fish on. Ooh. And perfect for the KickAss 2000 watt inverter at only 1400 watts. This, we're cooking up a storm. Whoa, look at that. A little bit of pepper, a bit of salt. Don't know if you've noticed, but I've not put any oil down on this, and that's the beauty of the ceramic coating. Oh, look at that. Non-sticking fish. The green stuff on now too. Picture shows a tomato. I hate tomatoes, but I'm going to cook one anyway. The really awesome thing about this too is the little handles. So you can use this once you've cooked as the serving tray as well, and you know you're not going to get burnt. What a groovy idea that is. Might whack a bit of the capsicum over the edges now. Might as well use up the edges, eh? Smells amazing. Well, we're done here. Everything is ready, and that took bugger all time too. Now I'm going to do a quick taste test on the steak before I take it down for the tribe. That there fall out. Yum. That's delicious. Well, check out this. Everything's ready. I've used no oil with the ceramic cooking grill. Quickly whack this up to the camera. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, that is absolutely sensational. Imagine that for a night's tucker while you're out and about. You couldn't complain about that, could you? I'm just simply going to unplug it now. So, detach the cooking control. And there we have it. I'm ready to take that down to the family. You beauty. Check out that. There we go. There's your little catch can. Alrighty, well that was sensational. Now next up is the paper towel test. The plate's still hot. I just want to see if it's going to take much effort to give the grill a clean up. So let's give that a quick crack. Oh, look at that. Wow. One piece of paper toweling did the cleanup. How cool is that? Check that out. That is amazing. Did I also mention the bonus grease trap? Look at that. And the beauty about that is you've got your little slot at the end of the grill plate, so that can just slide in under there when you're using it and catch all your crap. You beauty. Okay, so let's have a squiz underneath. And we've got these awesome little legs that lock into place, and it's going to make your barbecue stable on just about every surface. And we've also got the sliding handles that come out. And like when I was cooking before, these are great to hold onto the barbecue when it's hot and to carry around. It makes it absolutely sensational. You absolute cracker. Oh, don't forget the bonus heavy-duty Oxford material padded carry bag with the nice little straps on that makes it easy and portable to carry around and stores your barbecue in tip-top shape till next time you go to use it. How cool is that? So there you have it, the 50 centimetre portable electric barbecue. I mean, plug her in, one touch, away you go, clean up with a paper towel, head online or head in store today.